Camera A, camera B, mic check. Okay, so what the f is no clients allowed? Short story, it's essentially a think tank that's all about screen printing and graphic design. Longer story, let me first introduce myself. I'm Kyle, I'm a graphic designer, that's my main 9 to 5, and screen printing has been a hobby of mine for quite a long time outside of work. But earlier this year, 2021, I decided to turn my printing hobby into a proper business, like an LLC, the whole 9 yards. The problem is I have no real business experience. I'm a very mediocre graphic designer, and I can't stress that enough. When I initially formed this venture, I made 2 rules. No clients allowed, there are no rules. Now, to be clear, clients are technically allowed. I mean, one of the primary cornerstones of this whole thing is custom t-shirt printing. It was supposed to be a joke initially, but it was just ineptly named. I know this, let's move past it. This YouTube channel, the one you're watching right now, it's gonna be all about screen printing, it's gonna be all about graphic design and the trials and tribulations of starting a small business. And I really want to come at this from the point of view of mediocrity as opposed to a designer that just reeks of talent and works all day on Coca-Cola and Nike ads at Pentagram in New York City. Because as cool as those people are, Paula Scher, I'm talking to you, they don't really paint an adequate picture of what graphic design is for like most people. And I don't know about you, but I've never really seen a lot of content on the internet, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, etc. Content that focuses on the Joe the plumber of designers, if that makes sense. I don't know, it's kind of like those hashtag van life videos where they majestically wake up in the morning with a cup of coffee and then they open up their doors to a beautiful mountain view, but they never really show you how they have to like shit in a bucket, or they have a copper knocking on their window at 3 in the morning telling them they have to move. I want to show you guys how I shit in a bucket. Yeah, so hopefully I'll do a lot of awesome screen printing through NCA. That's short for No Clients Allowed, pay attention. Which could either be custom orders, shirts that I design and print through my website, which is also a thing that I do, or stuff that I don't know, make for fun. Because a big part of this is a think tank. It's a platform for me to work on projects and ideas that may or may not serve a purpose. For example, I found a traffic cone in a bush one day and I decided to snatch it, paint it several times in fact, but for no reason other than art. So again, if you like design, if you like screen printing, or maybe you're just curious to learn what screen printing even is, and if you want to join me on this venture and possibly see me fail miserably, then I think you've come to the right place. Anyways, that's it for now. I'm gonna give you guys a full studio tour of this place soon. I wanna show you some of the equipment that I'm working with. Spoiler alert, it is not fancy. Yeah, hopefully that'll be next week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram for some more NCA antics. Okay, go away.